Grounding sheets for earthing half sheet, 6% pure silver fiber earthing bed sheet. This is another half sheet option that made it on our list. We love that these earthing sheet boasts 6% pure silver thread for optimal grounding capabilities. The versatile half sheet design allows this sheet to fit virtually anywhere, on any bed or other surface. This amazing family-owned business offers a 110-day risk-free trial. If you send an email or reach out in any way for this product, it is actually the founder, creator that reads and replies. What a great source from which to buy an earthing sheet. Get grounded and support a small business you believe in when you buy this product. Of all the earthing sheets on the market, this is definitely one of the top-rated options. The owner discovered this technology when sleeping in a metal bed on a concrete floor and realized the benefits. They decided to create this product so that they can share this indoor grounding technique with the world. Like other earthing sheets, this does not require any electricity. The cord conducts the Earth's ions, allowing your body to recharge during sleep like never before. With the money-back guarantee, there is absolutely no downside to trying this out to see how your health and wellness might benefit. Grounding is a fascinating facet of alternate medicine and can be truly accelerated by using these sheets. Being closer to the earth nurtures the mind, body, and spirit on so many levels, and the negatively charged electrons provided by grounding with these earthing sheets boost vitality in a way that cannot be fully understood until experienced. Here are some pros. Patented safe plug, cord measures over 16 feet, 110-day risk-free trial, 6% pure silver, reversible design, improves sleep and reduces inflammation. And here is a con. Half sheet option only, no fitted sheet.